also in this vineyard. So we need to look after it. And when we don't do that, and when we are consuming ourselves with all the bad things in the world, then bad things are going to be produced through us. And that's when the farmer says, enough. I have had enough. There's a handful of us that is listening and doing what the Lord is asking of us to do. But then there's the majority that is rebelling against the Lord. The people that is doing the things that they are not supposed to be doing. Children of God that is sleeping together, living together, and thinking that it is okay because their priest is not saying anything. It's okay to have sex before marriage because their pastor is not preaching on it. Their pastor is not calling them out on it, so it's okay to do it. They are calling the things that is not okay, okay. They are calling the sinful things that is supposed to be sin, that it is not sin. They are changing their genders and thinking that it is okay to change your gender, and that is okay. It's not okay. They are saying it's okay for a woman to sleep with a woman, for a man to sleep with a man. It's not okay. Because the farmer says it's not okay.